Hello, welcome to Juan's Algebra Lessons. Today we will be doing factoring special products. And so before you start factoring special products, you should know how to do square roots and how to factor. So we're gonna start by doing perfect squares. And so here we could see x squared minus y squared. So we can't do just x minus y squared because then it would be x plus y. X squared plus y squared. So we do x plus y, parentheses, times x minus y, which gives us x squared minus y squared. And what we're gonna do here is just get the square root and multiply it times a negative one. Since y is negative, it's positive y times negative y to give us negative 1. And here we're going to do 4r squared minus 9. Wait, so what's the square root of 4r? 2r. So the equation below, 2r plus 3, which is the square root of 9. And since 9 is negative, then in the next equation, it's going to be 2r squared minus 3. And here I didn't have space to write it below it, so I wrote it on the side. 4 minus 25x squared equals, so what's the square root of 4? 2. 25 is negative, so we're going to do first 5x positive and then a negative x. Now we're going to move on to perfect square trinomials, which are a bit more complicated. So before we do it, let's just get something so you know. Let's start with the first one and I'll explain it. So x squared plus 2xy minus y squared. Now it's only 2, so in the answer it's only 2, so why is it such a long problem? Because we have to square x first, so we have to square x first. Here we can see it, x squared plus x times y times 2. Not x times y squared, x times y times 2, so 2xy plus we square y. Let's go to the next one. So 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. So here we see 2x, we square it, 4x squared plus 2x times 3 is 6x. 6x times 2, 12x plus 3 squared, 9. It's pretty simple. Here it's just the same, just a bit more, complicated. So 35x squared plus 140x plus 100. So again, just get the square roots of the first one and the second one. And then this is just, so it would be 35x squared, what's the square root? 7x, plus, what's the square root? 10. So, and then just 7x squared, 7x times 10 times 2, So, that's factoring special products. Bye.